What's up, Dentcoin holder? Congratulations to 42.73% Dentcoin price will pumps now in last, my friend. You can see here 7 day. That's really nice, my friends. To in this first week of this month, my friend, every coin will starting moving upward, and especially Dentcoin will pumps up. Now already, my friend, you can see this time the volume is increasing. So please, if you are also starting investing, so the price will more increase now. That's the need, my friends. Investment. If you have any plan to invest more, my friend, in Dentcoin, I think it's really good option, my friends. To you will get a profit. So please, my friend, research firstly before you take any decision. But kindly, my friend, I think it's really nice and absolutely very good time, my friends, for everyone. To if they to my friends, they will get a very good profit. So I hope, my friend, in upcoming time the price will more increasing. But if you are starting holding, if you are starting investing more and more, otherwise, my friend, this is impossible to they will get a very good profit. So thanks for watching, my all coin holder, who have, my friends, just an only want, who have want, my friends, to get a profit in very short time. Thanks for watching, really thanks for watching. See you next time, my all coin holder. But I hope in upcoming time you will need, my friends, to hold now. If you are hold, so I am 100% sure to they will give you a very good profit in the mid. But please, 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 one thing I more, my friend, this time all currencies were fails down. But if we check out, my friends, so I think Coin is also moving upward after a very long time. But sometimes they were never fails down. So therefore I will tell you, this is just an only, my friend, just an only for short term investor. You know, short term investors are doing very huge mistake in this time. And what is the mistake? You don't know. Mistake is that, my friends, to they are starting selling. Absolutely, my friend, in the start of month, if they were moving upward, so this is very good, my friend, for all of you, to they will moving upward. Otherwise, you know, my friend, in every month, every coin, not just unique, my friends, didn't coin, every coin were fails down in the start of month. But this time in this month in October, as you can see here, all crypto market is comfortable. So Shiba Inu is also, my friend, is going to be viral. So therefore the crypto market, absolutely, they will give us very good, my friend, for to crypto, because all crypto market is starting moving upward. So I hope, my friends, they will moving upward. But please, if you are starting investing, if you are holding, but if you starting selling, so they will never moving upward. So you will need to hold now, I hope, if you want to get a profit, and especially if you want to profit in very long time. So I think coin is not good, because please, this is very good for short time. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, and subscribe this channel for more this type of prediction videos.